Did you know that saffron is considered the most expensive spice in the world? It's true, and today, we're going to unravel the vibrant mystery behind this precious ingredient. Saffron, also known as red gold, is derived from the purple crocus flower. Each flower contains only 3 tiny stigmas, which are carefully hand-picked and dried. It's this meticulous process, combined with its limited availability, that makes saffron so valuable. The main region where saffron is cultivated is Iran, but it is also grown in countries like Spain, India, and Greece. The ideal climate, coupled with generations of heritage and expertise, play a significant role in producing the highest quality saffron. But what makes saffron so special? Well, it's not just its distinct deep red color, but the incredible flavor and fragrance it imparts to dishes. With an earthy and slightly floral taste, saffron enhances both sweet and savory recipes. Aside from its culinary uses, saffron has been cherished for its medicinal properties for centuries. It contains antioxidants and compounds that may have anti-inflammatory and mood-boosting effects. It's no wonder saffron has been used in ancient cultures as a natural remedy for various ailments. However, due to its high price, saffron is often subjected to adulteration. Some suppliers try to stretch their stocks by adding other ingredients. That's why it's crucial to purchase saffron from reputable sources to ensure its authenticity and purity. So, whether you're a food lover, a health enthusiast, or simply intrigued by the world's most expensive spice, saffron is undoubtedly a marvel worth exploring.